The subject of today's video is why most online businesses fail. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. The unfortunate truth about most online businesses is that they fail. It's sad but true, the numbers don't lie. Most online businesses never turn a profit. However, just because most people can't make their online businesses work doesn't mean that you can't. But in order to make it work, you have to understand why most fail. Don't be like all those other unfortunate people that get suckered into wasting their time on something that's destined to fail. First, making money in online marketing does not happen overnight. Don't get conned by anyone who says that you can make money right away. It simply is not true. And by making money, I mean turning a real profit, where you are making more money than you are spending on ads and software marketing tools. Don't be fooled by some internet marketers who say how much they have grossed in a day or a week or whatever, but never reveal what their bottom line is, what their bottom line net really is, their gross minus their cost. Second, you have to spend months building up your email list of customers for your product or service. You also have to spend several weeks to several months learning the ropes of the internet marketing business. Third, you have to have the right tools to have a successful online business. And a lot of people who fail don't get these tools because they don't want to pay for them. Tools such as ClickFunnels, GetResponse, keyword research, a YouTube channel, a Facebook business account, a Udemy account, Rip landing pages, SpyFu, WordPress, PureLander, Grammarly, Medium.com, Canva, and mobile opt-ins are just a few of the important tools. The fourth step is only marketing products or services that have a back-end recurring fee and pay you a commission month after month, not just one commission up front. The fifth and most important step is getting the right knowledge from the right coach, a coach who has made millions of dollars himself in the online business he is teaching his students. A coach who wants to make you his partner, a coach who has skin in the game, a coach whose success also depends on your success. And this fifth step is going all in and doing what your coach teaches you to do. Take the training as if your life depends on it, and then act on that training, because if you do not, you will lose money. Don't waste your time making the same mistakes that most wannabe online business owners make who do not get any training or refuse to pay for any training. This kind of thinking is stupid and only ends in your financial ruin. I enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that is the best and most up-to-date on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and I thank you. And also, please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with my new video.